Hello everyone. So first step, we will remove the bumper, the rear bumper. So I'm sure like everybody know how. Remove the plastic pins here, and then we have here and one here under the fender, and then the bracket, and then those connected with the undercover. So this is how you remove the rear bumper. I'm sure everybody knows, just in case. So now we will attach the rear spoiler. So this is the car, autocrossed now for like let's say 5 times. So far everything is good. Exhaust is GP Sports. It's supposed to be Jasma, but just listen to it. There is no catalytic converter whatsoever, only this muffler, this resonator, and MWR short manifold. Okay, so this is the spoiler. The idea of the video that the spoiler have no threads for screw. So what I will do is I will use these jack nuts to install the spoiler in the car. I don't want to depend on double-sided tapes because I will track the car, so I will need to install the spoiler with the screws as well. So first step, we will need double-sided tape, but however just small pieces to hold the spoiler. So what I did now is I installed the spoiler temporarily using the double-sided tape. I will do holes now using the drill, so I can align the holes in the bumper with the spoiler. So as you see, I made like 4 holes in random places. Now we will remove the spoiler from the bumper. So now there is a different sizes here, so I will choose the smallest size, which is supposed to go inside here. Well, I'll have to open this, remove the screw. I can't hold the camera at the same time, so I need to make the holes slightly bigger. As you see, I inserted them. I'm going to use this. However, they are loose. So what is the idea is to, those jack nuts should be tightened up through this screw, and they will close and they will settle in a place like this one. So we need now to squeeze them in order so they can hold on to the spoiler. So how we can tie them now? So what we have to do is we have to put these 2 washers here, and this will put this. So I'll hang the phone somewhere up here. Okay, so I guess it's fine now. So how we can settle these inside? So what we will do is we'll take these 2 washers, and then we will keep this screw inside. The idea is that this washer will hold the jack nut straight in order to squeeze it. If you will keep this directly, the jack nut will keep rotating. So however, this will settle this and make it stand still in order so you can squeeze it. So all you have to do is now tie until you feel it's squeezed. I think now it's fully squeezed. So we'll open now the screw you see the jacknut, whatever you call it. As you see now, it's tight. It's not moving anywhere. So this is the idea we will do for all of them now. You see, I installed just a little bit of double-sided tape on the side here, just for peace of mind. So I'll open them just a little bit from here, each one, so later I can have a leverage to pull this and just push it after hooking up the spoiler with the screws. So as you see, I opened the double-sided tape now, but see there is still a slight gap, and I'm now going to tighten those screws in order to press the spoiler with the bumper and let the double-sided tape hold the spoiler plus the 4 or 5 screws. In order to install the headlights, you will have to remove these pins from the side of the headlights that do fit here, because otherwise you cannot put the headlights in. No, I will not remove the whole bumper again, just to put the headlights and then reinstall the bumper. And if I did it, I wouldn't be able to install this and this, to screw this and this, so I'm removing these. I did this side. So duckbill or spoiler installed, not bad for a replica. It's lined up here. It's not bad, it's matching. I tried to keep it at the center as much as I could. As you see here, it's to the maximum edge on the bumper, but however there is a gap here and here, so it's, if you see what I mean, like there is a small gap between the bumper and spoiler here, and there is, and here it's on the edge, here on the edge, but there is a gap here, but never mind, the curve is not perfect of the spoiler, but it's not that off, nobody will notice it. It's good. So as you see, it's like straight with the trunk, or sorry, the bonnet, the hood. It's straight, it's going down, and if you see it from here, it's slightly going towards up, so it's not bad. For the price, it's good.